Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 44, Quranic Verses. The excellence of weeping from fear and respect of Allah. They fall down on their faces weeping, and it increases them in humility and a feeling of awe. Surah Al-Isra, chapter 17, verse 109. This verse describes those who, upon hearing Allah's signs, prostrate themselves in humility and weep, indicating a profound internal state of awe and submission to their Creator. Do you then deem this discourse, which enables your eternal salvation, strange? Surah an-Najm, chapter 53, verses 59 to 60. While not directly mentioning weeping, this verse prompts deep reflection on the seriousness and profound truth of the Quranic message. Such reflection, when accompanied by a sincere understanding of its implications for one's eternal destiny, can naturally lead to a heartfelt response, including tears of fear, hope, and awe before Allah. Hadith number 234, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Fadailul Quran, 13, Sahih Muslim, Salat al-Musafirin, 247. Ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, 'Recite the Quran to me.' I said, 'O Messenger of Allah, shall I recite to you when it was sent down to you?' He said, 'I want to hear it from someone other than myself.' So I recited Surah an-Nisa to him, until I reached this verse. How then will it be with people on the Day of Judgment, when we bring forward a witness from every community to testify against them, and that Allah's religion was communicated to them, and bring you, O Messenger, as a witness against all those whom your message may have reached." Surah an-Nisa, chapter 4, verse 41. He said, "That is enough now." And I turned to him, and his eyes were flowing with tears. Hadith number 235, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Fadailul Jihad, 8, Zud, 9. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "No man who wept out of fear of Allah will enter hell until the milk returns to the breast. Dust raised in the path of Allah and the smoke of hell will never be joined together." Hadith number 236, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Salah, 158. Abdullah ibn ash-Shikhir, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "I came to the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, while he was praying and his chest was heaving like a cauldron from weeping." Hadith number 237, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Janaiz, 27, Maghazi, 26. Ibrahim ibn Abdur Rahman ibn Auf, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that Abdur Rahman ibn Auf was brought some food while he was fasting, and he said, "Mus'ab ibn Umair was killed, and he was a better man than me. He was shrouded in a cloak. If his head was covered, his feet showed, and if his feet were covered, his head showed. Worldly goods have been opened up to us." Or he said, "We have been given what we have been given of this world, and we fear that our good deeds have been given to us in advance." Then he started to weep to such an extent that he neglected his food. Hadith number 238, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Fadailul Jihad, 26. Abu Umama Sudai ibn Ajlan al-Bahili, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, "There is nothing which Allah the Almighty loves more than 2 drops and 2 steps. A drop of tears shed out of fear of Allah, and a drop of blood shed in the path of Allah. And the 2 steps are a step in the path of Allah the Almighty." and a step towards one of the obligations of Allah the Almighty.